already halfway in your costume. Are you ready to go try it on? Yes. So I'm trying to entice Logie to come try on his lumberjack costume, but he doesn't want to. He's ignoring me. So I figured I would come do my makeup and he will want to come do his too, and then we will do his little lumberjack beard. So let's see if I start doing my makeup if he will come over. I know he will. Here, come sit here with Mommy. Oh, you want to do makeups too now? Okay. Okay, so let's do the baby beard.
Let's do makeups.
Let's do makeups. Ready? Mommy's gonna do it for Logie. I'm gonna do a little bit for Logie. You said you would let me. Okay, Logie, do that makeups first.
Mommy, what am I doing?
What are you doing?
I'm doing makeups.
Good boy.
What am I doing?
Are you doing makeups? Are you doing Halloween costume today?
I have makeups.
Show me. Ooh, really handsome.
Mommy.
Not makeups in your hair, on your face. You silly. Let Mommy do this beard. Ready? Let me do it. Ready? I look Daddy. Do it like Daddy. Ready? Let me see. Do you want to do it?
No.
Let me try.
No. What color?
Okay, fine. I won't do it.
What am I doing?
No.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I'm doing
Which colors?
What do you want to want? What am I doing?
What are you doing? Do it some on this side too. Don't do all of it on the same cheek. Is that fun?
No.
Okay, I won't. Not on your head. Not on your head, you silly goose.
What's that?
Put it on your cheeks. Good job. Good job. Don't break it.
And do this.
Here, Mommy, do this. Ready?
Bing, 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 bing. I wanna do this.
Okay.
I want to do it.
Only on your cheeks. Good job. Good boy.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's okay. We'll wash it off later, okay?
I'm wiping up on my cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, perfect.
That's
You
perfect.
do it.
Okay, let me do it. Ready? Here, like this. Ready? Do it in this color. And this one. And now let me see your cheek. Ready? Ding, 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 ding.
Cheese.
Good job. It's looking so good. Look at this little beard.
I'm wiping up on my nose.
Not on your nose. Under your nose, baby.
Yeah, perfect. Why you do it?
Okay, Mommy, do it. Ready?
Let me do it.
You do that one. Do this color.
Let me get brown.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Oh, that's perfect. Let me see. Here, come over here. Stay over here or else you can't play with Oh, what am I doing? Loki, come here, baby. You want to do your makeup in your car? Are you stuck? You need help to open it? Not on your eyes. Don't.
I want to bring on a picture.
No, not on the camera. Ooh. You look so silly. That's too sleepy? You're funny. Look, you broke your car. Aww. Don't rub it, don't rub it. It's gonna make a mess. Don't rub it, it's okay. We wash it off when we get home. Okay, are you done?
No, I wanna hiccups.
Gotta finish your hiccups.
I finished my hiccups. My hiccups.
Okay, that's enough, okay? Let's see. I think we're all done. Camera, say all done.
Done. Look. I want to look.
Okay, wait.